Okay, planet Venus. Woo. Through a 10-inch Dobsonian telescope. Well, you know, I should probably post what telescope we're looking through. Let's see. Hello, welcome to Planet Venus. It's been waiting a long time to meet you. That's the telescope we're looking through. Up there at the top. Yeah, this is the planet Venus. 800 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. Don't go there unless you really want to make some marshmallows. I'm at work right now and there's a lot of trucks, so that's why it's all noisy. Sorry. But yeah, thanks for joining in. I just wanted to check out this planet while I'm on my break at work and share it with everybody. Why not? The reason why it's a little turquoised near the edges is because I have a filter on right now that's blocking out some light so that we can see some of the shape. Otherwise, it would just look like a big bright light. Oh, I got someone curious. They're getting out of their car. Hello!
What's going on, man?
What do you think that is?
What am I looking at here?
I don't know. That crescent.
Oh, shit.
Drifting over there.
It's fucking almost like a solar eclipse.
Right?
In the fucking way beyond. Like,
yes. That is a very far solar eclipse. Yeah. We're looking into the depths of the solar eclipse. Okay, that's your first guess?
that'd be my first guess.
All right, second guess.
I honestly have no idea.
Okay. I guess it's the moon. I'm just kidding. Yes, that's
Our
planet.
moon? That's fucking tiny.
All right. No, that's that dot out there.
Okay.
All right. You've taken an astronomy class. What happens when a star is not twinkling and it's low in the horizon? What could it be?
Dude, I have no idea. That was like a year or 2 years ago.
It's a planet. It's
Okay,
a planet.
Gotcha.
Planets don't twinkle as much as stars do, but that's what this is. And all right, now you got to guess what planet it
I was
is.
gonna say, I don't know what planet it is.
Right? That's the next best part. Well, it's kind of near the sun.
Mercury?
Ooh, good guess. Fail.
You got your telescope out again.
Yeah.
I do. Venus. Sorry, I'm just
Okay.
I'm milking you right now.
Shooting me down is what you're doing.
I'm trying to make myself feel smart. That's what I'm doing.
Well, you are, so that's all right.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. So, what do you think that is?
Venus.
Yes.
Venus.
Oh no, he got it.
So,
Well, he's seen it before. That's not fair.
I mean, I also know what Venus is.
Whoa, dude.
So, it moving there, is that like the rotation of the Earth? Or
Probably both, right? I mean,
Yep, it's the rotation of the Earth. Indeed. It is moving around the sun, but I think it would have to be moving a lot faster for it to start tracking like it is through our telescope.
Huh. That's interesting that
That Earth rotates that fast?
Yeah.
I know, right? Apparently it rotates about 1,000 miles per hour down at the equator.
Mm-hmm.
Don't jump. Actually, I was at a telescope store, and I told the guy that. I was like, you know, the Earth is rotating at 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, and he stopped the transaction that he was doing with me and just looked up at me and said, "That's impossible." I was like,
you're wrong.
"You, sir, are not right." And I was like, well, oh, hey, man, how you been doing? I remember when I first met you that evening. Hell yeah, welcome back.
Oh, can they hear us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
I'm telling you, like an idiot. I just worked a 12-hour shift.
You did just work a 12
Tired of
hours.
shit.
Oh, yeah, thanks for checking it out. And it's good to see you back. YY23MA. And this is Planet Venus again. This is through a different telescope, not the one that you probably looked through, unless you did look through the black one and got to sign in a metallic signature. Have you guys got to sign this thing?
I
yet?
did, yeah.
You got to sign it? All right.
I have it.
Oh, I'm about to wrap up here in about 5 minutes because I do have to get back to work
Yeah.
at some
So-
point. But
Is
once
it
I'm done,
in
you
an
can sign
eclipse right now, or like a partial eclipse, or
so do you think what would cause an eclipse?
I don't know, one of its moons?
Right. Oh, dude, imagine if Venus had moons. Unfortunately, it doesn't.
Oh.
So, this is actually, we're looking at the behind, the caboose of Venus.
Okay.
It's backlit right now from
Okay.
the sun.
Yeah.
And so, in a couple more weeks, maybe, it's going to be completely black because it's going to be in front of the sun.
Mhm.
And you're not going to be able to see it
That's interesting.
because it's going to be up during mostly the day. Yeah, this is Venus.
So it has like different like
Yeah, I know, it looks like the moon.
solstices like the moon then too, right?
It has different
Or not solstices, but like I don't know.
phases.
Phases. Yeah.
You got it. That's right.
I got
and
the word.
Yeah, Venus. Another weird thing about Venus, just a side fact, is that its rotation, as it spins, is negative. It's actually spinning backwards and is slower. Its rotation takes longer to make one complete rotation than it does a year. So its day is longer than a year.
Interesting.
So if you're ever having a bad day, just be thankful you're not having a bad day on Venus, right? Because
Isn't it also like molten hot?
it is. It's about 800 degrees Fahrenheit down on the surface, and so once you landed there, I would expect your boots to start melting for sure. That's if the 90 times atmospheric pressure didn't
Doesn't
crush you into a can, and if that's not bothering you, then the sulfuric acid rain should start to make you feel a little uncomfortable.
Somebody just wrote no coronavirus cases on Venus.
No, there are no coronavirus cases on Venus. That
Maybe
is
that's where it came from.
sterile planet for sure. And we miss you.
Come back.
I don't know who you
Yeah,
are,
come on
so
back.
I don't really care. To be honest.
Hey, come on. But yeah, it's a crazy planet. I would want to go there, but never actually go there.
Yeah, that's understandable.
The Russians had to send like 13 probes to land on it, and the Russians were pretty good at making things like indestructible. Yet their submarine technology from the 60s wasn't able to withstand the natural forces of Venus. And so after the 13th attempt, I think, that's a lot of money.
Isn't
right
there
there.
only
A lot
like
of money.
a
Holy
couple
shit.
pictures of like the surface?
Yeah, they got a few pictures of the surface. I
Yeah.
think it was Venera 13 or something like that got the actual photos and sent them back before
Okay.
slowly corroding and being crushed under all the weight. Yeah, that poor thing. Hey, it was good to catch up with you too. Thanks for stopping in. Space, we love you. Bye.
Alright, I'm heading out.
All right, goodbye. Hey, thanks for checking out Venus.
Yes,
All right.
I like the telescope.
Thanks. I know. I can't wait to do this more. All right, I'm going to wrap it up, get back to work. Thanks for checking out Venus with us all. Love you. Bye.